What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, RJ Car Review. I'm your boy Ricky. You see the little quick merch I got, RJ Car Review, Shelby Gt350. Little something. Hope you guys are doing well, man. I know I am. I haven't been to the city in a long time, and just to see what New York looked like throughout this whole pandemic crisis thing that's going on. You know what I'm saying? So come along for the ride, listen to some nice exhaust sounds, and that's it, man. All right, so make sure you guys check out my Instagram. All right, it's RJ Car Review on Instagram. All right, please check out the Instagram, man. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me. Make sure you hit that bell notification. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Please hit that like button. Show the man some support. All right, hit the like button. Show me some support. All right, working on that merch. This is just a little test thing I'm trying right now. So please hit up that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you guys get notified when I put these videos up. Let's enjoy this ride. Sure if you guys can hear me clearly. I don't have the mic on, but of course I want to be in New York without traffic, right? Jeez, man, I thought it was supposed to be a quarantine. Look at the traffic. It's crazy, in and out. That's what I'm doing, in and out. It is crazy traffic, my God. Yo, this shit is so crazy. The streets are so empty. Oh my God. I've never seen New York like this, man. The streets are empty. Empty, 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 man. This is crazy. Wow. Is empty out here. Yo, this is crazy. Wow, look at it, look at it, look at it. Thank you, thank you.
Nice to have it out.
Yes, it is. Beautiful. Thank you. Oh, this is crazy. Man, it's crazy to see the city like this, man. Wow. It's empty, man. Empty. This pandemic is real, man. It's real. It's real. I love this place, man. I love New York City. Always love coming here. Always love taking the cars out, bringing it down to the city, having some fun. Just came out to get a ride. Nice day, enjoy it. About to head back home. But like always, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. I know this wasn't nothing too crazy, but you know, just taking a ride, enjoying the car, man. Enjoying the car, enjoying the weather. Enjoying life, all right, while we can. I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Peace.